Cool, hi, I'm Chris Ward. I'm the Managing Director of Cyber365. I've set up two cyber companies in New Zealand. A little bit about my background, ex-British military, British officer. I set up the UK's first cybersecurity incident response team in London in Whitehall. I was given an open checkbook to go around the world and find the best cyber training for the Ministry of Defence for 300,000 personnel. I ended up being poached by the New Zealand Defence Force to do the same there. So a couple of years ago, having set up this capability, I realised that the commercial sector was really behind the curve in terms of the real cyber threat to companies. So I decided to step out into the commercial world and try and allude to the things they should be looking at in companies to keep your business operational and resilient. People tend to trend towards the top 4 companies to do cybersecurity, and they tend to concentrate on the IT solutions. Now there are 9 domains of cybersecurity, and only one of them is about IT. So if someone's going to say you have a product to secure your networks, ask about the other areas they're going to secure. And if they can't answer the question, you've got the wrong people in front of you. So I very quickly learned that the knowledge out there, the experience wasn't there. People were doing courses and then trying to run with operations. They didn't have any operational experience. So it's fine getting certified in cybersecurity, but you have to apply that operational context. So what I wanted to do is provide cybersecurity training to staff in organisations. The most important thing for cybersecurity is training staff. It's not the IT solutions. You do need IT solutions, but empowering your staff and putting their effort and empowering your staff to be trained and get them on courses or have online training or in-person courses, that's the way forward. Right? You tend to find that people then stay in your organisation. Right? If you train people for 90 minutes on cyber awareness, then they've got a little bit better understanding about how to secure their organisation. You can have the best IT solutions in the world, and it only takes one click on the wrong link to completely encrypt the entire network and all its data. And then you spend the next 2 or 3 weeks trying to get the data back. Let me give you an example of Maersk. If you heard of Maersk, it's the international shipping company. They replaced over 250,000 PCs because somebody clicked on a link, right? And yet they have an awesome IT team. Right? So it's not about the IT, it's getting their message out and getting people to actually understand what's required. And you don't need to spend a lot of money to do that. You do the online training. You can do it in your own time. But the online training is written by professionals and is written by people who are certified, trained, qualified, and have operation experience, and that's the key factor. And that is why now my training is in government agencies. That is why I was the executive chair of 2 international cybersecurity committees. That approach works. It's the most cost effective. So that's what Cyber365 does. There's only so many of us that are trained in this field. There are only 3 in the Southern Hemisphere, and I'm one of them, and I trained the other person.